Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Bilal Khan and this is my 17th video of DevOps. So in this video I am going to cover the advanced topic of YAML. So in the previous video I have shown you the test.yaml. These are the basic functionalities. So let's create another file and that would be advanced.yaml. Alright, you can write YAML or YAML. So after that, the first functionality that I'm going to show you is the sequence. So let's comment this, and after that write sequence, right, like this. Alright, and in this way you can write the sequence numbers or the sequence text data you can write. The first one would be, let's say, marks, after that jobs, names. Alright, in this way you can write the sequence. Now the next thing is going to be the empty command, right? Empty sequence. So empty sequence will be called sparse sequence. Alright, and you can also give the starting document and the ending document. Alright, I have given it here. Right? So I have forgotten it, so let's write it here. And after that, the next thing is going to be the sparse sequence. That is basically the empty sequence. So let's say if I write sparse sequence, and inside the sparse sequence I'm going to write how, next sequence is where, next is going to be empty, and next is let's say null, and after that another one is going to be, let's say, super. So this is the sequence that you can write, but this will be remained as empty. Alright, so the next thing that is going to be like the nested sequence. So let's write the nested sequence. Alright, so this is going to be like this. This is one hyphen. After that, move to the next line and go 2 spaces away. After that, let's write another hyphen. But in this hyphen, let's write what you can write, mango. Alright, mango, orange, apple. Alright. And after that, let's move to another sequence, and that would be another nested, let's say, bracket. These 3 fruits are belonging to this first one. Similarly, the next one will be belonging to this sequence. All right, we'll start from this sequence. So let's write another sequence that would be, let's say, car, truck, and bus. Right. So these 3 fruits are belonging to this one, and these 3 vehicles are belonging to this one. Right. So this is a sequence that is nested, sequence within a sequence. Right. So the next thing is going to be key value pair. Pairs will be called pairs will be called maps. Right. So let's write exclamation mark with map. Right. Now the next thing is going to be the nested mapping. So I forgot to insert the starting and ending document here. Now let's write again the starting and ending document. In this document I will write nested mapping. Mapping will be map within a map. Alright, so how it will be possible? So let's say I write name, and the name is Bilal Khan. Another key is roles, and after this role I am going to move to the next line by giving 2 spaces, and after that let's write age 12, right? And similarly give the job software engineer. Alright, so this is a map, and inside this there are two maps. Alright, so this is a nested mapping. So you can write like this roles, and after inside the roles you can give another key and value. Alright, now the next command is going to be the pairs. So let's move downward and create a document. Inside this document let's write pairs, and this pairs will be one key, will contain multiple values. Alright, and so let's example pair. Alright, and give it the pairs command, and after this let's move to the next line and move two spaces away, and let's write job teacher. Alright, and another job is, let's say, student. So one person is a teacher and a student also. So after that, the next command is going to be, let's say, the next command is going to be the set. So let's write set. Alright, and this set will basically, I have not written the pairs with exclamation mark. So after that, the set will be basically will allow you to insert unique values. Alright, unique values only. So let's say I write what will be the names. Alright, and that names will only contain the unique values, like Bilal, after that Ali, after that Ahmad. So you can't write two values that are the same. You have to insert the unique values. So the next command is going to be the dictionary. So let's insert a document first, and inside the document I will write dictionary. Alright, so dictionary will represent sequence as a value. So basically this whole sequence that I have shown you here will be considered as a value inside the dictionary. Alright, so let's give you an example of it so that you can better understand it. So let's write people, and inside this people let's write Bilal. Alright, and after that Bilal has a name. Basically this is a heading. Alright, so let's take it as a heading. So we have previously written this. This is an heading, and after that let's take these, and name is Bilal, job is, let's say, age is 25, and job is software engineering. Alright, similarly if you want to take another heading, that would be Ali. Inside that Ali you have to first write the name, like Ali, and Ahmad, the complete name. Let's write the complete name here. After that, the next thing is going to be age 20, job, data scientist. Alright, this is how you can write the sequence inside the dictionary. So basically this sequence will be represented as a value. Alright, this is a key, and inside this is a value. A key. Alright, this is Ali is a key, and inside this all the values. Similarly we have done right here. So this is a key, all the things are the value. So after that, the next thing is going to be the what you can say that reusing some properties as anchors. Alright, so what does it mean? So basically, let's say if I write likings, alright, and inside the likings I write like would be, let's say if I write mango, alright, I like mango, and dislike dislike orange. Alright. So after that, here is a person. Alright. Person 1, and person 1 has a name, let's say Bilal. Similarly, person 2, and person 2 has a name Ali. After that, person 3, and that person name would be Ahmad. Alright, so these are the 3 people. So let's say if I want to, if all of these people have the same likes and dislikes, so how you can know? So basically you will copy this and you will paste it here. Alright, similarly you will paste it here, again paste it here. Alright, so in this way you can allot these likes and dislikes to this person. Alright, so but here is a problem, because let's say I have, these are the 100 people, alright, or let's say 200 people, and both all the people, all the 100 and 200 people have the same likes and dislikes. So will you have to paste all the likes and dislikes to each person? Alright, so this is not a good practice. So to avoid this, let's remove the data here, and what we can do here, basically we will write and after that let's write fruits choice. Alright, so you can give any name. This is basically a value that will be identified here. Alright, so if we give this value here, this data will be given to this person. Alright, so let's write to smaller than sign, and after that make it equal to, after the star, and star is fruits choice. Now this fruits choice is basically identifying this like and dislikes. Alright, so let's copy this, and now let's write it here, paste it here, and similarly paste it here. Now this person 1 or person 2 or person 3 will be having this data. Alright, let's say if I have 100 lines, so these 100 lines cannot be copied with every person. Alright, so instead we can give it a value, and we can use this value inside every person or every sequence. Alright, so in this case we can use the property here. So the data will be like this. So let's copy this. So after that, let's move on the upside. Now the data would be like this. So let's paste it here, copy this and paste it here. Alright, so this person 1 data that I have given the fruits choice will be like this. Alright, this is the result of it. Let's copy it here from here. Alright, and copy it. Now the person 1 result would be like this. I have written the fruit choice as a value, and this is representing these 2 likes and dislikes, but the data will be, the actual result would be like this. So let's comment it. Alright, so you can override the data also. Let's say this has a like mango and this has a like orange, but let's say this Bilal, person 1, does not like banana, but he likes the orange. So what can I do for it? Because all the person 2 and person 3 has the same likes and dislikes, but this person has different dislike. So what I will have to do, I will write dislike. Alright, dislike. After that, let's write banana. Right? Now this orange will be replaced with this banana. Alright, I hope you understood it. So now the next thing is, let's write another document, and inside this document let's write, here is a school. Right? These are, let's say, multiple schools, and let's write the first name of the school. Now the school would be DPS. Right? And after that, this is the starting document. Alright, inside this school name, I can write the school details. Alright, so let's say principal. Principal would be anyone, and after that let's write the students. and the student could be many students. Alright, so now the roll number will be started. Alright, by identifying by writing this hyphen, it is showing that there are multiple data to be written. So let's write the first roll number. This is the roll number first. After that, name is going to be, let's say, Bilal, and marks is going to be 50. Alright, so this is the first student, roll number, and the name. If you want to write multiple students, you just have to press enter and move backspace, and now again write the roll number. Alright, now the roll number is going to be 2. Similarly, if you want to give the name name would be Ali, and after that you can write the marks. Now the marks would be, let's say, 60. Alright. Similarly, if you want to give another school name, so you can backspace 3 times and let's write another name. Now the school name would be, let's say, guideline. Alright. So after that, inside it you can write principal or so many things that are required for the school. So in this case, you can divide it like in a nested way. You can write in a nested way. Alright? So this is a process. So these are some of the advanced functionalities of the YAML. So what we have learned today are the sequence, empty sequence that will be called sparse sequence, nested sequence, and after that the keys and values that will be called maps, nested mapping, that means map within a map, pairs means how can one key will contain multiple values, set will allow you to insert unique values only, dictionary will represent sequence as a value, and reusing some properties as anchors, and similarly these are the nested data that we have written. Alright? So I hope you like this video. So if you like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.